Next topic is Maxwell's electromagnetic wave theory of light. तो जैसा कि हमने पहले डिफरेंट थ्योरीज के बारे में पढ़ा, जो न्यूटन ने अपनी कर्पस्कुलर थ्योरी ऑफ लाइट दी, उसके बाद हाइजन ने अपनी वेव थ्योरी ऑफ लाइट दी। लेकिन हाइजन ने ये बोला था कि जो हमारे पास लाइट है, लाइट को प्रोपेगेट होने के लिए एक मीडियम की ज़रूरत पड़ती है जिसको कि हम ईथर बोलते हैं। फिर उसके बाद जो है फ्रेस्नेल ने अपनी थ्योरी दी, तो फ्रेस्नेल ने भी सेम चीज़ उसने कही कि लाइट जो है थ्रू ईथर प्रोपेगेट करती है। पर अगर हम ईथर का कंसेप्ट अडॉप्ट करते हैं तो हम ये बोलते हैं कि जो मीडियम है उसकी जो है एक रिजिडिटी हमारे पास होगी, फाइनाइट रिजिडिटी उस मीडियम की होगी या उस ईथर की होगी अगर वो एग्जिस्ट करता है, and that rigidity affects motion of the planets and satellite. So these planets or satellites can slow down when they move through ether. But later on, Maxwell gave his electromagnetic wave theory of light, in which he said that light has transverse nature, not the longitudinal nature like that of sound. तो जो हमारे पास लाइट है उसकी ट्रांसवर्स नेचर होती है और उसकी लॉन्गिट्यूडनल नेचर नहीं होती जैसे कि साउंड की होती है। सो व्हाट मैक्सवेल proposed in his theory, he presented a paper to Royal Society in which he mentioned or described four equations, and these equations were called as Maxwell's equations, and he took these equations from the Faraday law and Henry and Ampere work. Although these equations was the work of different scientists, but he presented them well and uh, take his and gave his theory with the description of these four equations. And Maxwell said that accelerating charges produces disturbance in terms of electric and magnetic fields. For example, if we increase the speed of a charge with respect to time, that charge is known as the accelerating charge, and this accelerating charge produce electric field as well as varying magnetic field. So varying magnetic field produce varying electric field, and varying electric field produce varying magnetic field, and this has been also explained in electricity and magnetism books of BSc first year. So this Maxwell's wave theory does not give the necessity of any type of ether medium. So he didn't say nothing about ether medium. So for light there was no importance of ether medium, and later on, as we know that the concept of ether was dropped by Michelson-Morley experiment results. The Michelson-Morley experiment failed, and he make a result that there is no kind of ether through which light propagate. So according to his theory, Maxwell theory, a changing magnetic field will induce a changing electric field and vice versa. That is, two are both linked. That is, changing electric field produce changing electric field, and changing electric field produce changing magnetic field. These changing magnetic field from electromagnetic wave differ from mechanical waves in that they do not require a medium to propagate. So mechanical waves require some medium for their propagation, but electromagnetic waves does not require any medium for their propagation. So electromagnetic wave can travel not only through air and solid materials. Means electromagnetic waves can travel through air, through some denser medium, or through some solid materials. In addition to this, these waves can also travel in vacuum or in free space. So this is the picture of electromagnetic waves. In this picture, we can say that in violet color, it is electric field variation. So electric field varies with respect to time, and in yellow color, it is the variation of magnetic field. So we can see here that both electric field and magnetic field oscillate perpendicular to each other. Magnetic field is oscillating along the z direction, but electric field is oscillating in y direction, and the electromagnetic wave is propagating along x direction. So we can say that wave travel in a direction which is perpendicular to the oscillations of both electric and magnetic fields. So direction of propagation is perpendicular to direction of oscillations of both electric and magnetic field vector. Magnetic field is oscillating along z-axis, electric field is oscillating on y-axis, but wave is propagating along x-axis. And we all know that electromagnetic waves have velocity equal to velocity of light. तो जितनी लाइट की वेलोसिटी होती है उतनी हमारे पास जो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव की भी वेलोसिटी होती है, that is 3 multiplied by 10⁸ meter per second. And later on, Earth in 1887-88 proved the existence of these electromagnetic waves. So he produced these waves experimentally. What he did, he took two plates